eyrecruit provides you with a pipeline that you can use to track how the candidates for each job are progressing through the recruitment process. By default, you'll see the active pipeline, which shows candidates currently under consideration. You can see rejected candidates by clicking on the Rejected tab in the top left. We'll be focusing on the active pipeline in this video since the rejected pipeline doesn't have any additional functionality. When a candidate applies to a job posting, a profile is generated for them based on the information in the application form. On the pipeline, these profiles are presented as a little card with their name and where they applied from. You can see all the pipeline stages along the top. The candidate is placed in the applied stage upon application. You can move the candidate between stages by dragging and dropping their card. Alternatively, you can click on a card to bring up the candidate's profile and change the stage from here by clicking on the dots next to the profile's pipeline. From here, you can also assign the candidate a sub-stage. Sub-stages are a way of keeping track of a candidate's progress within a stage. On the pipeline, you can filter candidates by sub-stage by clicking on this icon next to a stage. If you want to move the candidate to a different job, click on this icon and choose Move Candidate. Alternatively, you can create a duplicate of the candidate's profile in a different job by clicking on Copy Candidate. Unlike when you move a candidate, the original profile stays where it is, but a copy now appears in the pipeline of the job you assigned. I was able to demonstrate this feature because the pipeline is currently grouped by job. Clicking on the heading will collapse or expand the job, while clicking on the job title will take you to the job details. You can change your groupings using this button here. Grouping by stage shows all the candidates in each stage without any divisions. Grouping by location divides candidates by which nursery they've applied to. From this menu, you can also change the pipeline view settings. Here, you can choose the default grouping and customize which information appears on the candidate card. You can see a preview of your changes on the right. Finally, this icon lets you change how candidates are sorted, and this button lets you filter the pipeline according to chosen criteria. I hope that's given you a good summary of the features of your eyrecruit pipeline. If you want more guides on eyrecruit, you can find videos and articles on the Help Center.